doing today. I was so busy this morning. I have all this stuff for you. Nice class, of course. So, I didn't actually buy it, but someone donated it to the school, specifically for my classroom. Oh, my hair does not look very good today. Please excuse my hair. It is a mess. Don't mind it. But anyways, back to the donations. It is, I have no idea what it is, but it looks like kids stuff. So yeah, just like have it here. I don't really care. Hey, do not fight over it. Chelsea gets first pick. Okay, good. Chelsea gets first pick, of course, here. Just like have it, doesn't really matter. Anyways, as you guys all know, let's get a little refresh. So yesterday, we made Valentines to hand out to each other. That was so much fun, wasn't it, class? Of course. Everyone loved Valentine's Day, right? Of course. So sweet, so kind, so loving on Valentine's. Just like me, so sweet and kind and loving. And pretty. Oh, no one liked my joke. Anyways, so I have some more. Who knocked that out of my hair? Now my hair looks bad. I better fix it. Well, that was very embarrassing. But anyways, so I have some more Valentine's activities for all of you sweet kids today. And one of them is going to be a raffle. We are going to do that after lunch. I'm very excited. But first, we're going to do math, because everyone loves math. Am I right? Oh, you didn't like the joke again. Well, don't worry, I'm kidding. We are not doing math because nobody likes math. So, we're going to do something else, something sweet. And no, it does not mean food. How do you kids never get my jokes? Whatever. Anyways, I'm going to hand out supplies. Here's tape, scissors. We're going to be making some more Valentine's cards for you to hand out to your friends or your family, or if you have a crush, or your teachers, of course. That's a very good idea. So yes, here's all of your supplies. Just go ahead and work with that. Bunch of pink pens. Oh yes, here's some more pens I bought at the store. New, brand new, fresh, just for you, class. Because I love you guys, of course. No, I don't. Anyways, and here's some more papers, because I'm just so kind. And yeah, just do whatever you guys are going to do. I don't really care. I'm going to try on these new glasses. Interesting. How do you guys think I look in them? Do I look fashionable? No. Whatever. I think I look so amazing. Anyways, keep making your card. And of course, make sure you guys have fun because it's Valentine's Day. This is taking a while. Oh, a phone call. Excuse me, kids, for a moment. Hello? Oh, hi. Yeah, how are you doing? Oh, okay, what happened? Shh. Oh, someone wrote something hurtful on Filbert's Valentine's card. Oh, that is not acceptable. I will be talking to the kids right after this to figure out who it was. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, yes, of course. Thank you for telling me. I'm so sorry. That is so unfortunate. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh, I should not be laughing. That is so unprofessional of me. Get it together. So, Filbert, is that true that someone wrote something hurtful on your Valentine's card? Well, that is weird. I wonder who it was. I guess we'll find out later. But for now, well, I don't know. Let me check my schedule. Well, we're supposed to do science, but it looks like I forgot to write what we're doing for Valentine's Day. So, well, you guys should be done with your Valentine's cards now. Are you done? Okay, everyone raise your hand. Show me if you're done. Good, looks like everyone's done now. Please go put those in your backpacks or just under your desk. It doesn't really matter, depending on who you're giving it to. And if you're giving it to me, then put it on my desk. Thank you. Okay, anyways, I think we're going to do some coloring pages next. I have prepared them. I have printed them just for you guys, so you should be very grateful. I spent my time and money on these. So, here they are, right here, this stack. So go ahead and come up single file line, okay? Behave. Good. Okay, everyone can come get one. Go ahead. Oh, Chelsea, by the way, can I just see that for a second? Thank you. I was just going to look at it and see what these donations are that someone gave us. This is very interesting. Oh, is it supposed to be like this? It is? That's interesting. I wonder why kids like this. It's very weird. Oh, what'd you say, Chelsea? I'm supposed to dump it on the table and play with it? Oh, I suppose I could do that. Let's see here. This is interesting. What is it called again? Slime. Why have I never heard of this? Interesting. Smells kind of good. Well, you know, I'm just gonna let you enjoy this. I don't really like it. So yeah. Here, just have it. Interesting. Okay. Well, has everyone gotten their coloring pages? Good. Okay, go ahead and do the coloring pages. And then when you're done, I have a little surprise. Well, actually, what time is it? Oh, well, looks like as soon as you're done with your coloring pages, we're gonna have to go to lunch. And then I have a surprise. You guys are going to like it very much. So go ahead and do your coloring pages. I'll wait. Okay, looks like everyone is coloring nicely. That's great. It's been a couple minutes. Are you almost done? Are you having a good time? That's good. Lower the noise a little bit. It's a little loud in here. Yeah, shh. That's better. Valentine's is supposed to be more peaceful than rowdy and insane and wild like you guys sometimes are. Whatever. At least I'm peaceful. Okay, it looks like it's about time to... Oh, Filbert, did you just throw a crayon? Why did you do that? You apologize to Jimmy right now. That is not acceptable. It's not acceptable, Filbert. Did you apologize? No. Well, I guess you get detention then. That is not good behavior, Filbert Patterson, whatever. I don't even know your last name. Also, how are you still in my class? Well, I guess it makes sense because you were held behind or whatever. Anyways, you get detention, but not today. It's tomorrow because I know that your mom will probably be mad at me if I do it today. Understand? Detention tomorrow, morning and night. Okay, good. Moving on. Oh, lunch bell. Okay. Well, you guys can go ahead and go to lunch/recess today. I might add, special occasion. You know, Valentine's Day. Wait, did you just say it's not a holiday? Whatever, it totally is a holiday. Otherwise, we wouldn't be celebrating. it. Don't be a pill, or I will send you to detention. Understand? Good. Okay, so you can go ahead and go to lunch now. You are dismissed. And when you get back, I'll have a little surprise waiting. See you in a minute. Finally, you guys are back. That took long enough. Also, why does my decoration keep moving? So, here is the little surprise I was talking about. Looks exciting, huh? What? What'd you say? It looks like a hat? Well, it is a hat. What do you think it is? Oh, the hat is not the surprise, if that's what you're thinking. It's the raffle I mentioned earlier. What'd you say, John? It's not a surprise because I already told you. Well, whatever. Anyways, okay, this is how the raffle is going to work. Are you listening? Shh, everyone be quiet. Shh, you already had your lunch, you already had your playtime, you already got your wiggles out or whatever, so just shh, quiet. Good, you're all being quiet. So basically, for this raffle, 2 special students are going to win. Not only one, because I have 2 different prizes. So, here are the prizes. 2 expensive notebooks. Here's the first one. Spirals, so pretty. And there's even music notes on the back. Look at that. Here is the second one. This, so fabulous. I love it. I would have even kept it for myself. But it's a prize, of course. So, I'm going to mix all these up, all these papers, and 2 of them have hearts. I will show you what they look like. Heart and heart. So, like I said, 2 hearts in here, and a bunch of papers for all the kids in the class. So, you can go ahead, Chelsea, and start, and just pass it along the whole class until everyone gets one, okay? There you go. This might take a while, but whatever. And remember, once you get your paper, you're going to sit down, or just stay sitting the entire time, because I hate it when you stand up. And then you're going to open up your paper and tell me if you got a heart or not. If you got a heart, you win, and you'll come up to me for the prize. If you didn't, then you lost. So unfortunate. But yes, go ahead, pass them around. Are you almost done? Okay, good, you're done. Let me see this. Thank you. Okay, everyone has a paper, correct? Go ahead and open it up. Oh, Chelsea, you got a heart. Good job. Let me see just to make sure. Oh, yes, that is indeed a heart. Good job, Chelsea. You were the first one to win. Who else? Oh, Emma. Good job. Let me see just to confirm. Yes, this is a heart. Good job, Emma. Good job, Chelsea. Chelsea gets to choose first. Chelsea, would you like this prize? I think it is a calendar inside. Actually, it's kind of like a journal inside. Or would you like this one, which is also a journal? Very pretty. Which one would you like, the bigger one or the smaller one? The bigger one? Okay. Here you go, Chelsea. Good job on winning. I totally didn't rig it at all. And here you go, Emma. Enjoy your prize. Of course. So much fun. Well, next. Oh, by the way, when you're done with your supplies from earlier, please put them back on my desk. I do not want to lose those. I paid money for those. And money is precious because I have to use it to buy special things like coffee and teacher things. Delicious. Well, that was a very exciting raffle, but moving on with our day. Oh, Gilbert, I wanted to ask you something. Do you have a Valentine? I figured you didn't. Oh yes, hey, Gilbert, shh! Be quiet. No more talking. Understand? You do not want to be like your older brother. Trust me. Anyways, I'm going to go through the lost and found and see what you guys left yesterday. So first there's this little turtle. Does anyone know who this belongs to? No? Okay. And then there's also these glasses. Does anyone know who these belong to? They say Nerf on them. I'm not really sure why. No? These don't belong. Oh, they belong to John? Okay, here you go. Oh, one more thing. This chapstick. It's sugar cookie. Oh, that's mine. Oops. Smells delightful. Okay, well, moving on with our day, let me check the time. Oh, well, it looks like we don't have much time left today. Is there anything in particular that you guys want to do? I mean, it is Valentine's Day. Oh, wait, looks like we have a visitor. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, yes, of course, I remember you from the office, yes. Oh, you've come to bring the kids treats? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, cupcakes. Ooh, you better behave. That is so sweet. Yeah, would you like me to hand them out or you? You got it? Okay, perfect. Well, that is very nice. Kids, what do you say? Say thank you. So sweet. We were just about to do something else. We didn't know what to do. And this is a perfect activity for the rest of our day. Thank you so much. Okay, oh, you're gonna leave now? Okay. Well, bye. Thank you. I didn't know she was that nice that she would get something for you kids, but I guess she is. Well, are the cupcakes good? Probably not. They're just full of sugar. Oh well, go ahead. You can eat as much sugar as you want. At least it's not me eating the sugar. Yeah, no. Gilbert, why are you offering me a cupcake? Oh, well, that's nice, I guess. But I don't eat cupcakes, sorry. Well, go ahead and enjoy your cupcakes, I guess. Oh, Chelsea, do you mind throwing the thing in the trash, please? Thank you. Yes, the cupcake container. Because I know Filbert wouldn't do it. Well, hurry up. Eat your cupcakes. Oh. My hair looks so bad today. Probably from all the stress with you kids. Looks horrid. But whatever. The day's almost over. Then I can go home and take a long, luxurious shower and fix my hair and eat some salad or something. Or maybe go to Starbucks. What? Are you judging me? Stop looking at me. Why do you guys always look at me? You think I'm like your teacher or something? Oh wait, I am. I didn't mean that. Whatever. Hopefully this day will be over soon. Oh! You have a gift for me, Chelsea. Oh, thank you so much. A candle and a very fancy pen. Thank you, Chelsea. What a nice gift. Smells very good, like Valentine's Day. I'll be sure to use it tomorrow. Thank you so much. So sweet, so kind. I wish all the students were like that. Are you guys almost done with your cupcakes? It's taking a long time. I hope you're not purposely taking a long time, because if you are, then we're doing math. Okay, good. You're eating faster. Well, oh, someone's coming in. Everyone, shh, quiet. Hello. Oh, it's you again. Oh, you're bringing something else for the kids. Oh, wow, what is it? A cake? Wow, that is so thoughtful. Thank you so much. I'm sure they will love it, yes. Oh, actually, if you want, you can put it on my desk right here and then I can serve it. It'll just make it easier. Yes, thank you so much. That is so nice. What you could say again? Thank you, of course. Yes, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Well, that was nice, but I'm not sure I want you guys to have that cake. Very unhealthy since you just had cupcakes. You know what? I think I'm just going to keep it there. And then for tomorrow, maybe. And then we'll see what happens. But once you guys leave school, I want you to make sure to go to the front desk and thank her. Okay? Yes. Remember, she's the one who sits at the front. Got it? Good. Make sure you thank her just so I look like a very nice teacher. And I will thank her too. Because I would never want to get fired from working here. Because nothing else will hire me. I mean, everyone would hire me. I'm so lovely. Everyone loves me. But yeah. Also, I don't even know if I want these glasses anymore. So does anyone want them? Chelsea, would you like them? Okay. Here you go. I don't want them. Oh, wait. I heard the bell. No, no. The bell does not dismiss you. I do. So, sit down. Thank you. Oh, my hair is so annoying me. Whatever, I'll fix it at home. Okay, stay there. Do not get your backpacks yet. Don't forget to get all your stuff in your desk, like your cards you made today. And throw those disgusting pieces of trash, the cupcake wrappers, away. Gone. I want them in the trash, right there. Got it? Good. You actually seem to be listening a little bit. Well, now you are dismissed. Okay, goodbye. Happy Valentine's Day. I'll see you tomorrow. No one saw that. Goodbye, kids. Filbert, one more thing, Filbert. You better not tell your mom that I gave you detention tomorrow. Okay? Okay, bye everyone.